Welcome back to Fisher Family Adventures. We are headed deep into the Gulf of Mexico today from Marco Island, Florida. This time of year, red grouper, gag grouper, and red snapper are closed, so there's not much to fish for out here in the Gulf. Before we get into it, can you please like this video and subscribe to my channel? So today we are targeting mutton snapper, mangrove snapper, and yellowtails. But first we need live bait and chum.
That should be a mangrove right there.
Go ahead. I'll straight behind the ball. Oh, you've been practicing, man.
You should reap some reward. That's a good throw, dude.
That was money right there.
He's skeptical still. I don't know. That was a good throw.
This is gonna be like, I don't know how we found this shit till I see how full it is.
Yeah? Yeah? Feel heavy? Alright, not bad, not bad. Okay. I don't want you going in. Yeah. I feel like a red.
Big mango. Come on.
Yeah, it's digging, man.
Positive action from you guys here. Come on, guys. Come on, weekend.
That's a nice mango. 24-inch mango. Pull and drag on the bottom.
Big mango.
No, mutton. I got it. Oh.
And that is a mutton hole.
That's what we call a mutton snapper.
Slightly hooked through the nose.
Oh my god.
This was an awesome catch, a nice mutton snapper.
Oh, they're biting. Snapper. Come on, snapper. Oh, it's a nice mangrove. That's a good mangrove, dude.
That's
16?
they're very biting, very lightly.
That was a good bite. On the jig, right? Got him. I think this is a snapper. Oh, baby mutton. There might be a bigger one down there then.
After we start catching mangroves, I decided to drop the GoPro to the bottom to see what was on the ocean floor. So as you get to the bottom, you can see a big school of sergeant majors and lanes and yellowtails and mangroves and a couple red grouper here and there. So there's definitely a good mix of bottom fish. There we see some more blue runners and mangroves. There's a really good amount of snapper and other fish and other life on this spot. This also tells me that the fish are hanging really close to the bottom, so a light jig head would not be the preferred option. You would want to go with like a knocker rig or something that'll hit the bottom, unless we can chum them up.
What is it, a tail? Yeah. That's a keeper tail, and I'm on your line now too.
Yeah! 2 keeper buttons!
There's a keeper tail too.
Yeah, fuck yeah.
Hold on. Hold on. That's a keeper mutton.
20 inches.
Oh, there we go. On the chunk.
Not even on the bottom.
That's awesome.
I hit the chunk in the middle. Whatever it is here. Come on.
It's a yellowtail. 16-inch yellowtail, that's what it is. That's a keeper. It's a nice one, man.
They're up in the water column, but they're eating this chunk. Yeah, they are.
I'll try to de-hook them for you. There you go.
We're fishing, son.
It's like a... Come on, mutton, 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 mutton. Oh, he's coming up. Take another grover. Yeah. Another grover. That's not a bad one, man. Yeah, I got him. All day, dude. All day. I was gonna count the fish, dude, but you're on. That's a big mangrove. 22-inch mangrove right there.
Still shaking his little head. Ooh, is that a big mutton?
Ah, that might keep. Yeah, that's not a bad fish though. Doubled up? Oh. Another mangrove. Is that? Yeah, it is. Another mangrove. Another mangrove, dude. He's got him. Mangrove or what? What's that? Another mangrove?
A mangrove or a tail?
Mutton. Did the other one keep or no? That one
Nobody
might.
has it in his mouth.
Is that another yellowtail?
Oh, no, it's a mangrove.
Another group would be nice.
It's a mangy.
Oh, that is.
Colorful.
He'll keep.
Okay.
That's him.
Ooh, this is better. This is
Could be another mutton.
Yeah, this is good.
Oh, what is he? Another nice grover. No, yeah. Nice one. Nice one, dude. That's not a bad fish, man. That's a fat one too. It's another grover.
It is.
Another quality one. 16 inches.
Might need to throw my shoulder below you.
Come on, come up, come up. Oh, another nice one.
Oh, this one's nice, bro.
Dude.
Daytime?
Yeah, these are really good mangroves, man. Is that a big one? It's a big mangrove, man. Oh! Yeah, that's a big mangrove. Is it? I think it's a mangrove. Yeah, another big mangrove.
Dang, they're bigger.
Oh, we're on. Got him. I got one. No. We haven't played with over here. This is a mun. This is the big mun. Oh! This is a big mun.
Big man, big man.
Big.
Fucking nugget. Bro, these are some quality fish.
Dude, that might be the biggest one of the day, honestly.
Might be.
That's a big fish.
This man.
That looks like a tail.
Oh. Ooh. Oh, puke.
I don't think he'll keep. He might though.
Yeah, that's a 12 inch.
Yeah?
I got smaller ones in the fucking box.
Oh, well, is that a tail? Ho ho! That.
Is that Goliath? That was a Goliath. This fucker in here.
Tail in the chunk? Nice. Oh, I got hit instantly. I think I got my bait taken. Let's see. Nope. Got him, he was sitting on it. Something tiny. What even ate this? This is something tiny. Oh no. I think we're in the wrong area. There weren't lanes on the other bottom.
We are like.
Got him. Feels like another small snapper. Yeah, it's something tiny. Eh? I don't think he's 12 though. This is definitely a snapper. It's a little better one too. Yeah, it's a good one. Unless it's an AJ, it's coming out now. What is it? It's an AJ?
Oh.
The Jack?
Jack Rebel.
What? What are you doing out here, buddy? Got him. Yeah, you're not turning your head, buddy. Nah, he's mine now. Whatever he is. I think it's a small rig grouper. Oh, actually. Ooh. Another jack or a good snapper? Yeah, that'll keep.
All right.
That'll keep. Got him. Oh. Feels like another good snapper, actually. You lightened up now. Huh? This is a snapper. This is a good one. I think it's a red grouper, though. No, this is a snapper. No, they're nice. Is that a mangrove?
Nice one.
Another nice one. On the bottom, too. Come back here, buddy. Spit at my baits.
After hitting our limit of snapper, we head out and go fillet the fish back at the dock. Thanks for watching, everyone.